The Galaxy S24 is already being sold by a shop. The latest hands-on image of the Galaxy S24 Ultra was leaked yesterday. It is expected that the Galaxy S24 series will go on sale in the coming days or weeks. Although Samsung hasn't made an official announcement about this product yet, it appears that the company is preparing for it and may have already dispatched some phones to retail locations. It appears that one of these retailers started selling the phone before it was officially released since they were unaware of the date of release. Renowned leaker Roland Quan observed that the Galaxy S24 is now available for purchase at the Mexican retailer Dodo. The 128GB model costs 16,490 pesos, while the 256GB model costs 17,999 pesos. These prices are identical to those of previous versions with equivalent storage capacities. It's unclear if the business is truly selling the smartphones or if the listings were released too soon. The pricing posted by the vendor for the Galaxy S24 may just be placeholders. On January 17th, the business intends to formally introduce the Galaxy S24 series. With the exception of Europe, rumors state that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will come with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. Both the Galaxy S24 Plus and the regular Galaxy S24 are anticipated to employ the Exynos 2400 chip for the European market. Also, a frequent tipster just revealed critical elements about One UI 6.1 animations and UI. As per Ice Universe, there has been an enhancement in the frame rate of the animation in comparison to One UI 6.0. This implies that the animation will appear more refined and fluid. I believe Samsung took into account the fact that it will use more electricity. The wallpaper scales significantly, larger than iOS scaling, and the background scaling motion is much enhanced. This makes the animation appear more vibrant, but the icon is scaled back to its previous location. There is a more noticeable elastic movement, and the app is incredibly stable and smooth while opening and closing repeatedly. There has been a significant shift from One UI 6.0 to 6.1. For the Galaxy S24 series, Samsung is apparently intending to provide an astounding 7 years of significant operating system updates. Updates for the next Galaxy S24 series may be available for up to 7 years, according to a recent piece in Android News. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.